Hello guys, welcome back to our video.
Hello.
We are from Group 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay healthy in this pandemic. In this video, we will introduce ourselves one by one. Have a good time watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alam Yuda Permana. I come from the city of Samarinda. I was born in Samarinda on January 30, 2002. I was born in a simple family but full of extraordinary affection. I am currently studying at one of the largest universities in East Kalimantan, namely Mula Warman University, with a chemical engineering study program. My hobby is sport. One of the sport I love the most is basketball. I really like this sport and I feel very happy when playing basketball somehow, but I really love the sport. I also have a dream to be able to play in the professional basketball league, or often now in Indonesia, the EBL League, Indonesian Basketball League. Besides playing basketball, I also enjoy singing and playing musical instrument, all of which is the guitar, but the genre of the song I sing is not music genre in general. I really like the Javanese music genre because I was born from a Javanese tribe, which it is said that Javanese people are sweet and friendly. I guess that just my introduction. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, thank you for your attention. On this occasion I want to introduce myself. My name is Putri Anastasia, can be called Putri or Puput. I'm a student from Loraman University with a chemical engineering study program. I come from Bone District, South Sulawesi. My hobby is sports, but in the field of sports that I like best is martial arts training. Why do I like martial arts training? Because in my opinion, with martial arts, we can protect ourselves from bad people who want to do bad thing. Besides that, my hobbies are reading, watching, and writing. I like to write because writing can make what is on my mind a story. And to watch, I don't like all kinds of films. Movies that I don't like are horror films. I don't know why I don't like it, but I didn't like watching horror since I was little. Apart from my hobbies, I also have dreams and I hope they can be achieved. My dream is to work in an overseas company. It was my dream since I was a child. I want to work abroad because I was curious about how outside were performing and how their working system was. So that's why I want to work overseas. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Wido Ramadan. I was born in Bontang on 15 October 2002. I was graduate from high school Vidatra Bontang, but now I live in Samarinda with my parents, my brother and my sister. I was actively participating in extracurricular activity. I was joined a marching band. Marching band is like a music orchestra, but we get a movement. We move. I was a part of marching band in my city. The name is Marching Band Bontang Popo Kaltim. For your information, Marching Band Bontang Popo Kaltim is one of the best marching band in Indonesia. But I think they not signing again. Next, I also joined a basketball club at my school. Then in 2019, I got opportunity to become one of the players who took a part in the DBL competition in Samarinda. But I can do that because I had an accident. It's happened 2 months before the competition. It's the in that accident I was broke my hand and cracked my knee. Because the accident I have to take a part from the physical activity. Then now, yeah, it's so sad for me. I think it's maybe it's all for me. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself and let me tell you a little about me. My name is Agus Purnomo. You can call me Agus. I am 18 years old. I am the second of the 4 children, and all of my siblings were boys. I am a college student at Mula Warman University, and my program study is chemical engineering. I was born on Mamuju in West Sulawesi at the 17th of August in 2002. I like watching movies because I can learn a new language and maybe a new culture from that movies, especially movies in English or Japanese language. And then I like horror or thriller movies. I am a football fan. My favorite football club is Manchester United, and my favorite football player is Cristiano Ronaldo. I wish I could watch football match at Old Trafford, that is the stadium of Manchester United. I like playing games, even though I did not very good at it, because I enjoy it. I play a lot of games, such as Mobile Legends, Clash of Clans, Pro Evolution Soccer, and others. But now, I only playing one game. That is Pro Evolution Soccer, because I have to focus of study. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. It is not an easy job, and I really proud of them. My dream is become a professional chemical engineer and make my parents proud of me. And hopefully my dream can come true. I think it's all about me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, today I want to introduce myself. My name is Ade Malik Putra Miswono. You can just call me Ade. I am the second child of my 3 siblings. I was born on April 30th, 2002. I am 18 years old now, and I am currently studying at Mula Warman University, majoring in chemical engineering. Before I went to Mula Warman University, I studied at State Junior High School 5 Samarinda, State Junior High School 5 Samarinda, and State Elementary School 16 Samarinda. I have a goal of becoming a researcher in a large company engaged in chemistry, so I majored in engineering chemistry at Mula Warman University. I live on the Ramsay Street, Polowali Lane, number 6. I have a sport hobby because when I do sport I feel happy and my stress is also lost, and no less important is healthy for my body. For sport I often is futsal. And for my family profile, my father is 46 years old, working as a civil servant, and my father's last education was a bachelor's degree, while my mother is 44 years old now, but not working, or you could say a housewife. And my mother's last education is high school. I already explained that I was 3 siblings. I am a middle child, and my 2 siblings are girls. My sister is 20 years old now and studying at Polytechnic of Samarinda. And the other one, my sister is 9 years old now and studying at State Elementary School 1 Samarinda. And that's all my introduce. Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you today? So it's my turn to introduce myself. Okay, here we go. So my name is Litwina Nadia Afrila from Chemical Engineering 20 at Mula Warman University with student ID 2009066009. You can call me with Aya or Natnat. I was born on April 11, 2003 in Samarinda. Yes, I'm still 17. I live with my parents and my brother, and I'm from Senior High School 3 in Samarinda. Now I will tell you about my hobby. My hobby is open the TikTok and Wattpad application. You know guys, what is it? Okay, I will tell you about that. First, Wattpad. Wattpad is a place where I often read novels. Why I choose this application? Because I like to reading novels but are easy to buy. You know guys, novel is expensive, right? And then TikTok. TikTok is a place where I show my another hobby, which is dancing. I like hip hop and traditional dancing, but I can dance K-pop a little. Oh yeah, I also like to sing, but only in the bathroom because my voice is not good enough, and this make me insecure to sing in public. So maybe that's enough from me. If you want to know me more, you can follow me on Instagram, and this is my TikTok ID. You can follow it and I will follow back you. Okay, I'm sorry guys if it is too long. Thank you for watching. See you and stay healthy.